Monday the 1st of October. Oh dear. So anyway, the Velux windows were not put in today for obvious reasons. And they're sitting here. But we do have lovely installed working radiators, which are nice and hot. So we've got the hottest draftiest extension in the world at the moment. But hey ho. Worryingly, there's a load of water on the floor here. I'm not sure where that's come from. Certainly not coming from above. It's not coming from those pipes, which is good news. I possibly while they were filling up and draining down, bleeding it, etc. Looking good. Oh, nice. Warm radiators. This is the first warmth I've felt for weeks. And in here, we now have a complete floor. And it looks like they've started doing some work on the fireplace. Because all the plaster's now off, ready for the lintel to go in. And the lintel's going to go in there. Excellent. And I presume it's going to go from, the aperture's going to go from there to there. Brilliant. Can't wait. And this old arch here will be cut out with this, because the key one's loose anyway. Good. So we've also got a radiator working here. Just turn the light around. Which is cold, which is odd, but it is turned right off. Oh no, it's turned up to maximum. So this one's stone cold. This is the pipe feeding it. It's interesting. That's actually on a different circuit to the two radiators in the main room. And I don't think it's been installed correctly anyway, because they've not done the wall yet. It's just up there to see what it looks like. So, progress. It's really coming on well. Interestingly, it looks like the whole light might be on, because there's a nice little glow coming through there as well, which is lovely. Makes it feel kind of cosy and nice. So the floor's down in its entirety. Ready for the floorboards to go over the top of. So she feels a little bit of a lip there, but I don't know what's going to happen there. That fire probably hasn't been lit for 30 years. Probably even longer than that, probably 40 years. Plaster's dried out nice down there. Beautiful floorboards, all sitting acclimatising. This. Oh, that's wonderful. That's the shelf that's going in to the glass alcove, which I can see he's routed the edges of and smoothed off. Oh, crumbs, I think. That's better. Yeah, he's planed that. Nice. That's a lovely characterful piece of hardwood, that is. Wow. Which I think cost me a £5 at a boot fair. Super. Could be oak actually. It's certainly hardwood, it's certainly lovely. Wow. I'm so pleased with this. Interesting to see that the old paint that was here in the 1950s, I think, with that rather unusual frieze at the top there. Let me just zoom in on that. So you can see the frieze around the top there. That green colour there is not a million miles from that green colour there, which we've chosen, the one on the bottom left. Bamboo stem, I think it's called. So interesting. So we're going around in a full circle, fashion-wise. Anyway, I don't know if you can hear the rain coming down on that aperture. I'm really glad they put an extra tarpaulin over the membrane. But hopefully if the weather's better tomorrow, the windows will be in here and we'll have light flooding in. I'm really excited. I can see the first coat plasters on here. Wow, this is so good. And there's the missing window. That's where the missing window hole should be. Well, this is a major triumph. Working radiators. I should imagine this is now warmer in here than it is in the rest of the house, but never mind. Warmth. And that's what the two radiators will look like. Wow.